Yeah. Florida we went there, now we're there Jamaica.
Trina is not there.
Me no know Storm.
No, actually people. I go up there, yeah, brawling, go up there, yeah, brawling, so. Well, I know, well, I know, my sister. Well, I know, bro. I just show one example. I just go get some buckle for sweep up our. I just go get some buckle for sweep up. But, yeah. Hey, you don't come up to touch you. When you come in the yard, you're outside.
What you mean, me miss it? You just tell me about it.
You know how come inside. You get locked and everything.
I me just refresh my page. She ain't did it. She just come.
People, I'm tired.
Yeah? We left Florida and gone straight to yard.
You know, you have a Congress family. I got a Portmore. Remember, I can't be that over Portmore now. I want some live 33 Watson Park Road, Kingston 13. Check the blood clot levels. One some live 33. What's that? Ete, we're not doing no promotion for no girl, you know. The girl not come get no followers off of. I want to your girl. That's what I say. I was going to say, Portmore girl, them not a real bad girl, not them, you know. You feel like a Portmore come from, or Walton come from. Check the levels. 30, Walton Park,
Kingston.
Some, yeah.
Big up Sharon.
Some of them, yeah. Yeah. Call a friend, them not going to put no bad. So we are. Call them, no. I'm different now. We don't have to complain when you hear say a gang cause a top notch. We don't left one another gang or no gang. Any gang, we are gang, we gang girl and done. We have blood club busy for no one say a gang. We don't left one another go suck on no mama. Where? Top notch.
Yeah, yeah, so if you go, yeah.
Me, I'm a alone band. Wonder, I see a alone band. I 6 away, check the blood clot. You want me alone band? I never +1. We don't want to be a team up and so. We just start beat out each other blood clot. Me unite, you know, member Spartan, I say, me dangerous, like wicked piece of girl. I say, Kelly, I swear the girl left her life. I'm glad my top-notch blood clot friend them did dip on it. I'm bitch and me and my sister alone come around here. No top-notch friend no come around here. None of my friends them no come around here. And me and my sister alone come around here. And there's both him a shut off him up, but Abby Bears go, and you big batty boy, go fuck your mama too. Yeah. Where? Big batty boy, girl.
So she pull up his stacking up the so. I share ex-friend Abby, diary, tough face Abby. I wonder if a tough face Abby. Diary, go and go look at Abby live. Yeah, so blood clot, one more big, never suck out with yet. A big mouth girl, like you sure right, so never suck out with yet. I'm too tight. Talk to me right there, so. Hold tighter than space them in your teeth. Me not ask Christ, God. Yeah, mush me just, No, but that's again, but that's come around and Abby got sure one little example. And sure, I know we not touch her, no. I know we not touch her. Say, if Abby ever call a police. Yeah, go and go look. Come in at this day. Because Ken come around there, no, I shall come and talk about gang and top-notch and the top-notch girl them come around our yard. No top-notch girl don't come around your yard. First thing, baby, no girl can touch my friend money. I'm not asking God. She first, hello. Money, what's your good old eye? Your body big now, but not like you make the girl touch you. I want you. You can't make the girl touch you. Where none of you come from, you don't live up Portmore. I want you. You're going to eat that too. Oh, no, nobody have no mother. I say, no, it's something done me. Abby, go drink some. Abby, you need some milk. I must stop face, Abby.
You need some milk. Go drink some blood clot card if you're a kumina.
I want name Kumina.
Melina, you see it? Mel, I'm Mel again, Mel, my mother, my good clean tight one mother,
Melissa, right? Melissa. It's so that she's white and pretty and most stable. I will go visit
Top notch girl, them. Trisha top notch. And her sister. And her mother. All of them gang people together. Top notch girls.
Hello, me not blood clot come on here again. Come here, but I will run up and down. Me here, but I will with gal we shut off them out and when gal pull up on your foot here run. Here, with that and
them go already. They broke up buckle and all these things. They look like. I know. On the video.
Me not depend on knife and a stab in and this and a that. Yeah, right there, sir. Man, I do the panel check.
She has scat up on the line. She comes and scat up on the line like she an idiot.
Go sweep up them buckle there, you mother woman.
She said they come out with Jimmy. And people stop you Jimmy. Oh, they are pissed me off.
When she come out with Jimmy?
She come out with Jimmy. Stop asking themselves from long time.
But me never seen you. Okay, no nasty girl. Okay, number 4. Okay, no nasty girl.
I have Jimmy.
And a 2000 blood clot 21 now you have Jimmy now. Hey, girl, what kind of nasty girl?
Oh, she come out with Jimmy.
Hey, girl, I want a slap in your face with that Jimmy there, you know.
Hey, girl. Yeah, what I say? 340 there. I want some big suck out. Nah, I want some deep hole girl. I come chat at the mouth and I run in. When I soon now, we don't know now who again. I want to now and follow me now that art.
Don't forget to we're not running at people. We're not
first thing first. Nobody couldn't know we used to lock blood clot for more. Fast days we run up in a run on the run up and down in a beat so the whole I want to know he's gonna sell. Go ahead. I will lock this from Congress girls day.
Well, and that girl who Tashana?
I don't know.
Our Tashi this come see that girl upon her live laugh, you know. That girl with name Tashana. Tashi done.
Hello, right now anybody can laugh right now. Anybody can laugh when they want you.
Go and go look at Abby live.
My girl, me nah in on the top. Me just want if you're bumbo clap, but come no.
Hello, at the end of life, a baby this, you know, a baby girl. This is the girl run. And the girl can't come.
She don't come on.
No girl can't come on my yard, come beat me. I'm run left my house. You're mad.
And that me I say I would also see every day we post some good nice things. People don't go subscribe because they will look to them a super on TV now to hear them head. I want to know for the don't want to see it lock up on TV.
So them here with fire, them here for this.
Mother.
We're nice little princess, right? That's all. We little empress, them
mother.
Nice little two-plum,
my
little, oh my God, my little rose. Them here my father, Jesus Christ. And I mean, making the mother eat to know. And I mean, making the mother eat to know. They hear me from a nice clean two-plum. Oh, they hear me from a nice clean two-plum. My two-plum kind of can't have a two-plum like my two-plum. My two-plum sweet for the two-plum green.
I want you, my girl, I go like say, my bad friend box up, hey. If you remember my bad friend box you up in a dog, brawling, you know, my next bad friend now. Me and her about it too long. Cause Kalisha to back like a blood clot.
Yeah, that's the mom. She always party with them and shit.
People to beat up with men, beat up, back, throw up shit everybody in our face and the things there. Give that like nah. Yeah. No.
It come now because we're not giving a girl no followers, you know. We're not giving a girl no followers. I don't know one of them, don't like them bad. Yeah, come.
Okay. Go and go find Abby page. The duck and the deal with them.
Okay.
Light bulb.
Okay, off.
Yeah, girl.
I'm there live. Yes, girl. Peanut gonna work.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, it's me. It's guys.
How your name? How you miss Abby live?
Girl, you know me always over. I be live. You know me always over there. You know, just
Me
stop.
know, cause you like toffee.
Leave,
Abby look too tough and gangster for me.
leave her alone. Me like her. Something about her.
Abby just rough.
Something
Real
about her.
gangster girl that you know, she not go touch around enough of them probably come. Don't go there, girl.
I be
Catch
always.
them one by one.
She just smoke her weed and build with the youth them. She not in a drama with nobody. So that's why my friend she always in an argument right now. But the whole top notch girl them. But I really know them. And I think I even start follow them girl there, you know.
Yeah, Trisha.
I
Much
just
for like me one.
that's
Just
how
know Trisha from him and Vani when catch up. You
I
know
think
anybody and Vani a beef, you know them.
I you did make me follow the girl there for sure. But I know them from
Yeah, when she and Vani when they are wave a strip together, they went kick her.
she did left with something. She did left with Italy paper them in the bathroom.
No, no.
Or next one.
Them time that she went there with Akeem. Benz, what's your name? Benzema or whatever her name, the maga girl there. And she take with Trisha man. Trisha man and Trisha went there for a long time. And she take Trisha man.
You know them girl there from Adam's Apple. I
Yeah,
know
that's his
if
follow them, so.
I'm bleach out and full of tattoo in her heart seed. I don't tell me say nothing wrong with bleach out. There are different levels of toning. But I like when people bleach out like Sheba son Neil. It just stick my stomach. You want them when I beard often.
Mm-hmm.
That's like tonic color can't come back. Tonic color can't stay, cause she not like beard. She don't know if you maintain the bleaching.
Hey, money.
Money in there. But say as money she come live, she run come over here. I know she stay alive all day.
Trisha and Vani went cuss before. Then cuss more than one time before. But I think she and this Abigail a fight right now, of course.
TJ and Tamily power struggle 3 hours ago. They have new song. Yeah, girl, but like I say, I go already. I nothing to say. Boy, I tell her we need some people to come live because we get boring. But I nothing to say. I could talk about a topic.
Like what?
What kind of topic we don't want to talk about? Generation of vipers. I don't want to talk about. Oh, shit. I like have talk. Candy Lake, I'm a place. Move and go. I just see my live and come over here with enough stuff. Because you want to come see if I could smack us. And you know what you say, man? I could even come from the people them live good as she that peaky. Oh, you have somebody when I see me join the live, them I come to come see if I could smack us. Anyways, dirty alert, dirty foot, dirty toe, dirty fingernail, love Sanders where I cook our food them with some dog ear on our finger them. Cause every minute she rub up the dog and kiss the dog and feel him up. Yeah. She over there perform beastly activities for the little puppy. But I look on last and found dogs. I'm not tell no lie. I see one picture. You see picture of me saying here? I people them where say they lost their dog named Sam.
Mm-hmm.
Show you. We need to investigate if I feed them dog that for sure. Sam no know you. I did it, I kiss up. So every minute Sam a bark after you. Them the dog they not normally barky. I know chihuahuas like to bark, but them the dog they normally just love eat and just in their own little world. Yeah, the dog own and the dog keep on a bark. We need to check out if the dog is stolen. Because they sell them on the black market in a candy.
Me know.
They sell them on the black market. The dog they don't know you. every minute. But Sam. Sometimes Sam not even
You
see
think
you.
you sound good, Tasty?
And every minute, Obi not have a name. Me call Peanut because you know say me and Peanut. Him and me Peanut and him have fiend name for me. Me can't tell you no cause you know. I can't tell you what my baby calls me, but I call him Peanut, you know. It's sexy, give a man a name. But I would never call him hubby. Love Sanders of man, I feel a big man told you that I say they're rich.
That man, a husband.
Husband, if you're not rich, you're not gonna have a joint account and then $200, you have to beg him man one like extra 100. Yeah, the man no. Yeah, no, what is this for, Obi? Obi, him a mute and him can't talk. Yeah, no. Is it for buying grocery and paying the bills? Yeah, Obi, no. So you can't give me $100 more, Obi. Obi, you tell me see what I give me one like a 300.
Then she drop the money in a piggy bank and it take
Girl,
the camera off a saving pan, put the $100 and the $50 bill in there. And they talk about this is my savings, this is what I do. Like, bitch, you just put that money in there. We saw you.
girl,
She always I do stuff and they take off camera and they put on camera like we don't know what she up to. Herself, she a fool.
Girl, if you don't get your ugly self off Instagram, I swear to God, you are so ugly and you are so dumb. Like I wouldn't, you don't like a real wife doesn't need to ask her man for anything. You know what I'm saying? Your man will just automatically give you because he knows that's his duty to give you. And if I'm married to a man, why do I need to ask him for money? Especially 200, the whole household people, $200. Girl,
Always I try to prove something to internet, to IG people.
yo, this lady says she married to a rich man and she rich, and she's doing like 5 different trades. Well, she claims she's doing 5 different trades, but we all know what she does. But in her little fairy tale imaginary world, she said she's doing 5 trades. Like, when do you get time to work? Like, aren't you tired? Like this lady over there play Bob the Builder. Hey, Alan Candy, you piss her off. When I go show the lady show the something, with the guy Henry.
Oh well, the live a countdown and we are come back
Right.
in.